If you love salmon, you're gonna love how I make these air fryer tacos. So the first thing you're gonna do is find a really good Atlantic salmon fillet, and we're gonna open this up and make sure you dry it up with a paper towel. Now that's really important because you're gonna get a lot of crispy surfaces with it. Now I'm gonna be slicing these into bite-sized pieces so they can lay on top of the tacos easily. All right, let's season these guys, and I like to use coffee rub or a taco seasoning will do just fine for it. Let's crumple up some aluminum foil, open it back up, and place it on the bottom of your air fryer. And let's air fry away. Now for the slaw, I'm gonna use pre-cut coleslaw mix, and instead of peeling my own mangoes, get some of this stuff. Let's chop that up. It's a very simple sauce that you can make at home, and all you need is a little bit of mayo, sour cream, lime juice, salt, and add a little bit of spice and smokiness with any Chipotle hot sauce. Okay, let's mix that in with the mango slaw. And that's pretty much it. Let's assemble these tacos. And now just top it the way you like it. I have some jalapeños, some salsa, whatever you like on your tacos, go ahead, no one's gonna judge you. I love these salmon tacos. They're delicious, they're easy to make, and everyone can customize it like they want.